patients either. And there have been hundreds of allegations against this dentist, Howard Schneider, over the past month. Now, some of the stories are quite old, long before the days of iPhones or Instagram, and thus they've been hard to prove. But First Coast News investigative reporter Clark Foraker found a lawmaker way up north who wrote a bill to change what we have on tape.
Yeah, Shannon, think of it like a surgical black box, just like the ones the NTSB has on planes and they use to get clues about what goes wrong during crashes. Well, this lawmaker wants a similar device available to patients for any kind of dental or medical surgery with anesthesia that would record audio and video of the whole procedure, start to finish. In the wake of malpractice allegations against dentist Howard Schneider, a group from Wisconsin is working to get a bill they've written there into the hands of Florida lawmakers. It would allow patients to ask their doctors and dentists to record surgical procedures when anesthesia is used.
We do have private conversations, not just with the patients, but also with nurses, and all of a sudden all of this stuff becomes public domain.
Dr. Sunil Joshi is the president-elect of the Duval County Medical Society. He read the Wisconsin bill and believes it will not be supported by the medical community. He says recordings could violate a patient's privacy rights and could make doctors and dentists more prone to malpractice if they know their work is being recorded.
Certainly, if you're taping a surgery and something has gone poorly during the surgical procedure, having videotape evidence as to why that happened certainly could be beneficial for either side.
The Wisconsin state representative who authored the bill says that's the reason she wants it in all 50 states. She says it complies with current HIPAA laws, gives patients a right to choose if they want to be recorded, and covers minors.
This is not about just getting at doctors, for malpractice. This is something that can be used to protect both the patient and the doctor.
She believes recording surgical procedures should be a regular part of 21st century medicine.
In the big picture, if we're really trying to protect the patient, we shouldn't have cameras in the rooms to begin with.
But Joshi believes what happens between you and your doctor or dentist should stay that way. So that bill has been filed in Wisconsin, but not yet here in Florida. The online group, the National Organization for Medical Malpractice Victims, is leading the charge to get that bill into other states, including Florida. Shannon?